Hi, so for today's video lesson, what we're going to do is talk about a couple of different five finger scales, just as like a little exercise for you. They're kind of fun, or at least I think they're fun. So yeah, we're gonna get started. We're gonna do these in a couple of different keys. We're gonna start with the key of C five finger scale, and then we're gonna do G, and we're gonna try D. So the first thing I want to do is talk about how we play our five finger scale. So with our right hand, I'll show you here. With our right hand, we have it on C. Finger one starts on C. So we play it up and down. So just up and down. And then the second part is we do some skipping. So we start. That's the first part. Then the second part, we do some skipping. We go C, E, G, E, C. Okay, so that's the first part. With our left hand, we do the exact same thing. I'm going to do it down here. So left hand starts finger 5 on C. Then we do some skipping. So I want you to try that part hands together first, okay? Go up, all the way, come down to D, and then you start skipping, and when you press C, skip. So one thing I want you to do is not repeat any notes. I don't want to hear that. I want you to go straight into everything. Go all the way up, all the way down, then go straight into the skipping, okay? The second part of that is chords. So basically what that means is we're going to play 3 notes at the same time. So we played 2 notes before, but this one we're going to add a third one. So to do a little warm up, just to practice playing these chords, I want you to go finger 1 and finger 5, and then I want you to add your finger 3. This is just a warm up for your exercise. Don't do this in the exercise, okay? So finger 5 and 1, and then try all 3 together without pressing these 2 keys down. Try to do only finger 1, 3, and 5. And it helps to keep your wrist bent. Try not to do it like this or with flat hands. Try to keep your fingers rounded and your wrist up. So that's the 1 chord, what we call the 1. Then we're going to play a 2-note 5/7 chord. That's our finger 5 and 4. That's G and F. And then back to finger 1, 3, and 5. So the chords look like this. 1, then back to the 1. Okay, in our left hand, it's going to look like this. And then G and F right here, finger 1 and 2. So just remember that it's different for both hands. In our right hand, it's finger 5 and 4 that plays the 5/7 chord. In our right hand, it's finger 1 and 2. Okay, so the whole thing's going to sound like this. We go up, down, skip, and then we play chords. So it goes like this. Step it up, step it down, start the skipping. 1, 2, 3 chords. And then you go with your left hand first. 2, right hand. Left hand plays the finger 1 and 2. Right hand plays finger 5 and 4. Then we go back to the chords. And then play them both together. Okay? I'll play the whole thing one more time. I'll play it fast so you can listen to it, okay? So we go up. Skip. 2, 3 chords left. Right, left, right, left, right, together. Okay, so we're going to try that in a couple different keys. I'll show you the different keys. So we have G, which starts on our G 5-finger scale. So instead of starting on C all the way down here, we're going to start on G. So we take our finger 5, we move it to G. So, and then our right hand's also going to do the same thing. So instead of starting on C, we're going to start on G. So we move it to G. So we do the exact same thing. We play it on G and we step it up. Step it all the way down. 2, 3 chords. And then the last one, you can try this if you want to. You don't have to. If you find C and G hard enough, then that's fine. But this one is in case those are too easy for you. You can try the D 5-finger scale. So the D 5-finger scale has 1 black key in it. So The D 5-finger scale, we start on D, and that's for my left hand. So my finger 5 is going to start, you look for a group of 2 black keys and you start right in the middle. So the notes are D, E. Now instead of going to F, we're going to go to F sharp. That's this guy. And then we go G, A. So we don't play F at all, we play the black key, F sharp. Skip, 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 skip. Then we play the chord. Okay, that's the left hand. The right hand looks like this. So we start on D, 2 black keys, we look for D. F sharp, we don't play F, we play F sharp, the black key. Then we do the skipping. Then the chords, finger 5 and 4. Okay, so the whole thing sounds like this in D 5-finger scale. 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole thing. So you can try those in a couple of different keys if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Happy practicing. I'll see you next time.